This 2024 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 351 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features a graphite interior, sleeps 7, awning, spare tire kit, water heater, auxiliary battery, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features outdoor entertainment, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 351 Mega Siemens is 15,506 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.